Hello all, welcome to the Cloud DevOps Guru channel. Today we are going to discuss about the Jenkins distributed build, or we can call it as the Jenkins master and node. So, for example, your organization is working on the multiple projects. Okay, in the multiple projects they are working on the different platform. Like they are working on the Java project, they are working on the .NET project, they are working on the PHP, they are working on the Python project, they are working on the Node.js project, and so on. Okay, basically your developers are write the code in different platforms. For that you have to set up the CI/CD pipeline for the each and every job. So as a DevOps engineer, you will work in the multiple projects. So if you are using only Jenkins master, so this is your Jenkins master. You can assume it is a Jenkins master. Okay. So as of now, just we see in the how to build the jobs in the Jenkins master only. But as a best practice in the organization, we will not build any jobs on the Jenkins master. We will build the jobs on the Jenkins nodes. Why we set up the Jenkins master and node? Because whenever you are working with the multiple projects, you need to set up the multiple platforms into the in Jenkins master if you wanted to build all the jobs in the Jenkins master. When the all the platform jobs are running at the same time in the Jenkins master, maybe your Jenkins master will be down. So because of that, we will keep clean the Jenkins master. So in the Jenkins master, just we have only configurations. That's it. We will not build any Jenkins job in the Jenkins master. And also in the any server, maybe if you are taking the heavy server also, maybe you have the 2 executors or 4 executors, means you can build the minimum 4 jobs, a maximum 4 jobs in the Jenkins master. If developers are requesting more jobs, then you need to be in the waiting. Okay, instead of that, in the Jenkins we will set up the Jenkins master and nodes, and we will share the our workload. For example, we will set up a node for the Java and Maven, Java comma Maven node, and also we will set up the node for the .NET project. If we need the Node.js, then we will install and set up the Node.js node. Whenever we set up the job, so just we will share that, means we will tell that job to build your package or build your code onto the particular server. Means, for example, if you have the Java project, so you can build that project into the Java node. If you have the .NET project, so we will attach that .NET as a slave to the our Jenkins master, and we will say only just you can build your job into the .NET. So in this way, whenever you need the different platform, we will set up the Jenkins node for that, and we will attach that node to the our Jenkins master, and we will distribute our job into that particular node. So let's see how we can set up that node to the Jenkins master in the practical way. For this, we need the one instance. You can create one instance anywhere. Okay, I had created the Ubuntu instance into the AWS, and now we will see how to connect that Ubuntu instance into the our Jenkins master. For connecting this, we need the Java installed in node server. Okay, whenever you are setting the Jenkins node, just we require the only Java. After that, you can install based on your platform. You can install your softwares and you can start building the your project. So now we will see how to connect that node to the our Jenkins master. I had created the one machine. So now you can see I had created the Jenkins node as a in the our AWS environment. So you can create the Jenkins node in any environment and you can attach that to the Jenkins master. So let's install the Java into the our node. So you can connect to that instance. First do the sudo apt update. Then you have to install the OpenJDK. I'm installing the OpenJDK 17. So it will take us some time to install the Java into the server. Once it is installed, we will configure this node to the Jenkins master as a slave. Okay, now you can check Java is installed or not. So OpenJDK 17 is installed into the my node. Okay, now go to the Jenkins server. Click on the manage Jenkins. Then click on the nodes. Then click on the new node for add the any node into the Jenkins master. Give the any name here. I am giving the Jenkins node and click on the permanent agent. Click on the create. So give the description here, any description. This is demo Jenkins node. Give the home directory. My home directory is the /home/ubuntu. If you are created the any other user, just you can give the that user home directory. Okay, and here you can give the label for the your node. I am giving the Jenkins node as a label. Use this node as much as possible, or I will select here only build job with the label expression matching. If your label is matched, then only you can build the job inside the our node. Okay. Click on the launch method. Click on the launch agent via SSH. Okay. Then you can give the public IP of your server here. If you are working in the private network, so you can give the private IP also. Click on your node. Get the public IP. Then if you are if you wanted to add the credential, just add, and here you can add your credentials here. You can, if you are having the username and password, you can set up your credential with the username password, but I am setting the credential with the our key. So because of that, you can select here the SSH username with the private key. Then give the any name here. I'm giving the demo Jenkins node. Give the any description. Give the any description here. This ID will help you while selecting the credentials. After that description, my username is the Ubuntu. Treat that username as a secret. Then click on the private key. Add the private key. Just you can open your private key and my private key is the Linux practice. Click on this. Open with the notepad. Select all. Copy it. And paste the complete key here. Then click on the add. Okay. Just we had set up that credential ID is the demo Jenkins node. You can select it here. That is the credential for my server. Then here you can select the host key verification strategy is the non-verifying verification strategy. That's it. Then save it. Now you can see your node is up and running. Your node is connected, right? So it is not having any red mark or not having any cross mark here. Now, in this way, you can set up the node for your Jenkins master. But we will set up one sample job and we will see how to build the job into that server. Okay. Demo underscore node. Click on the freestyle. Restrict where this job project can be run. So it will allow us to enter our node name here. Then just I wanted to print the message. Echo. This is node demo. Save it and execute the job. So now you can see my job is executed. So now you can see building remotely on Jenkins node. So it is going inside that node and build my job. Okay. So in this way you can set up the master slave in the Jenkins, and also you can set up the job and run that job into that node. So this is we set up the Jenkins job in the freestyle, but this is very helpful while we are writing our declarative pipeline in the Jenkins. So while writing the declarative pipeline, we will discuss once again. So distributed job. So that's it from my end today. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.